Hey guys, it's Peter at Wunderite, and we got some new stuff we've been working on for a bit and trying with a few of our customers, and we want to show it to you today. Really excited by it. Let's suppose you're an agency that has an insurance application that's handwritten with coffee spilled on it. Maybe you have a scanned application that was typewritten. Maybe you have an Accord that was filled out on a computer. We wanted to make it easy for agencies to get this data into your agency, and we call that Wunderite Extract. So let me show you how this works. If you have this enabled, and this is currently in private beta, if you're a current customer of ours and you want to try this out, just let us know. We can get this going for you. You're going to hit upload PDF and extract data, and I'm going to type in the name of my customer here. So I'm going to type in the name of an account, Access Human Services. I'm going to hit next, and we're just going to go ahead and drag and drop these PDFs sequentially. So let's start. We got this Westfield Auto form. I'm going to drag and drop that and hit next. Let me just go ahead and do this for a couple of applications. Let's go ahead and use this scanned application in another window. And let's go ahead and do this Accord 125 in a third window. So what happens at this point is Wunderite's going to upload the PDF, and we're going to, kind of like Shazam will listen to the radio and recognize a song. We want to upload the application and recognize the application if it exists in our library. If it does, we're going to go ahead and extract the data off of the form, and we're going to build a blank copy of the form and put the data back on the blank copy. We'll automatically fill it. What this means for you is you can take an application that maybe in the past, your team had taken this and manually taken the data off of it, or had an offshore team doing that for you. Now your work can change from having to manually rekey data to now you're just confirming Wunderite's extract tool. So here you can see we found a match. This is the Westfield Auto application. So we automatically looked at 10,000 applications, found a match, put the answers on it, and you can see the answers here, on the PDF, ready to go. You can compare that against, the Westfield app that we have right here as an example. It's not 100% perfect. This is still in beta. We do encourage you to make sure to, check the data, but your job can very simply go, now you're just working on a clean interface to confirm the answers. And then you can go ahead and, of course, send this to your customer or do whatever else that you want to with the applications. Notably, we have structured data behind the scenes now, and so this data actually can become more valuable over time. So let's go ahead and check this out. Looks like with the Markel trucking application, and again, we saw that here. The scanned app, we found a match there. You can go ahead and review the answers on the Markel trucking app. And let's see, we had an Accord 125, and we found a match on the Accord 125. That's pretty cool. Really excited by it as a former agent who used to handwrite apps sometimes. So we actually put together like hundreds of applications, handwritten, coffee spilled, crumpled up to test. And we got to a point where we started to pass all of our own tests. And we're like, we need to open this up to more customers. And we've had this out there for about 6 months now. We've been testing it. And we do want to expand it a little bit more to some more customers of ours and new prospects. And I want to highlight notably that what's really cool about this is not only are we scanning the data, we're actually attaching it to a data model. And that's Wunderite's data model for dealing with millions of unique data points that appear across all types of the different 10,000 applications that exist in our library. When are we doing that? It's actually in private beta now. It's been in private beta, I think, for about 6 months or so. When does it get public? TBD. But if you're interested, please reach out to me or our team and let us know. We have a small social agreement, very simple to move forward with it. We'd be excited to get you started. So again, that's kind of it for Wunderite's Wunderite Extract. Really excited to share this with the world and get some agencies using it and start to get your feedback. Thank you guys. Have a great day.